A very good morning to one and all, or good evening, or good afternoon, in whatever time you are watching. I hope you are doing well and even practicing very well for the SSB. In continuation with all the sessions, today we are again back with our daily sessions of TAT, WAT, and SRT. So, without wasting much of the time, today, firstly, we will discuss that what are we going to discuss in today's session. Firstly, this is the TAT picture. For all those candidates who have not attempted yet, they can attempt the TAT, that is thematic perception test. You can look at the picture for 30 seconds and thereafter you can write down the story for 4 minutes. Try to be as honest as possible and not to skip the story, and don't write the story in a short form. Try to write the story in full form. Then again, we will discuss this story. This has been sent to me by one of the candidate in Telegram, and we will look at this story as well. And this even, and thereafter we will proceed to the WAT section. Of course, we will not discuss it one by one, but yes, you can attempt these WATs: 158, 159, 160, 161, 162, and 163. Thereafter, the main session is SRT, that is situation reaction test. For those, for all those candidates who have not attempted it yet, you are supposed to attempt these SRT in minimum time, right? You can take 2 or 3 minutes because these are 7 SRT only: 83, 84, 86, 87, 89, and 90 and 91, right? And after you complete the SRT, thereafter, you can come back to this video. Right now, you can pause it and write down in your copy. Before moving further, a small announcement for those people who are so much eager to attend our courses. You can download our Mission SSB interview app from the Android Play Store, and you can get all the videos free of cost. And moreover, if you like to join our course, you can also join that. This is our course. All the details you can get on these numbers and this website as well. And you can also access to the demo sessions over there. One-to-one sessions are the specialty of ours, and these are the details. This is our Telegram channel at the rate SSB for life, to which you can be connected to us all the time. Now, today's first SRT is: he and his friends were traveling from a speedy train when his friend looked out of window and got hit by a pole. He, what will be the action? So यहाँ पर आंसर है: immediately took him inside, put a handkerchief over the head and press it softly, gave him a painkiller from bag. I think it will be bag. Then and made him rest till the next station comes. Took him to hospital and told him to be more careful in future. Took care of him. The problem in this answer is that reply to be whatever the feedback is there is that. Firstly, do you think that if a person got hit by the pole, will only pressing the head with the handkerchief will it solve? Hmm? After hitting the pole, you might get a lot of bleeding. है ना? Moreover, you can have a great injury because head injury is the most fatal injury, right? So, firstly, you have to give him the first aid. And this is a very long answer. You can be as short as possible because immediately word, immediately, hurriedly, be calm, cool. This is already self-explanatory, so no need to write these things, right? So you can give him first aid and thereafter put the handkerchief. Handkerchief will not work. Put a very, you can use a very big cloth, right? Use cloth, big cloth. And thereafter you have pressed it softly, gave painkiller from the bag. This is a very long answer, right? You can simply write it: gave painkiller, uh, stop the train. या फिर you can also wait until the next station comes. Admitted him to hospital and informed parents, and continued journey. This can be the line of action. Next SRT is: he was going to market with his sister and some boys uh, started doing mischief with her. He took sister aside safely, refused boys to do it, made them realize how bad it is. Later continued to market and told some trick to sister to handle situation whenever she faced alone for future. Yes, it is correct. It is loving, caring in nature. Moreover, you are having the courage to say no to the wrong things. Next SRT is he was on his way to home and suddenly it started raining heavily. He took shelter in nearby house or building, wait for the clearing weather, later went home. This is one solution. The another solution could be he ran as fast as possible and reached home. It depends on the condition, though it is raining heavily, but it depends on the individual as well. You can also use the umbrella because it is also not mentioned that whether you are having umbrella or not. So, according to you, you can write. There is no harm in writing any answer in this. The only thing you need to have is your justification. If this question is asked in conference or one-to-one interview session, then you should be able to justify it well. Next SRT is he was an officer posted at the border and suddenly shelling started from the other side. He raised alarm, alert everyone together, fight back, and inform seniors about it. Face the situation with courage. Correct. It is a desirable answer. His brother wanted to get admission in a medical college, but his marks fell short by 1% for the admission. He consoled him that hard work is more important than rather than college. Told to study more for bright future, joined him another college. Well, good answer. Some people may be advocating him for a droppage of one more year, right? That is also correct, but I really don't suggest you should be allowing your brother to go for 1 year droppage because there is a sense of responsibility and 1 year really does matter a lot. Hmm? It really doesn't matter in which college you are studying because you can see the example in today's generation. No matter in whatever college you might be studying, whether you might be studying in IIT or you might be studying in AIMS, but if you are having talent and if you are having an ability to learn in your life, then whatever college you might be learning or you might have degree, it will only have your value when you are talented, right? So you can give this justification to interviewing officer or whatever. And in my perspective, and you yourself must also know that uh, marks are just only for the sake of showing, right? It is the only your real talent that really matters a lot. Practicality matters, not the marks, right? It was of the SRT discussion, but yes, we used to do. We have to also do some little bit discussion. We can do like this so that you can also learn to be a better person like this. So this is the desirable answer. You can write it down. He had to go to a city with cash for work, but the way was dangerous due to the presence of dacoits. He took another route for city and also shared location with a family member for future convenience. Be extra careful with money, reached home safely. This is first answer. It is very correct, effective intelligence, and moreover, he has used his presence of mind that you should take the another way. Right. This is first answer. The another answer could be like if they are so worried about the money that is in cash form, you can also take the money in ATM form. Means that is in your digital form, right? And thereafter you can travel also. You if because the condition here it is given the cash. Don't take cash. You can take the credit card or debit card, whatever digital form, and in this way you can uh, take the route, the same route. You no need to be worried of the dacoits. That is also an effective intelligence, presence of mind you can use. Otherwise, this is also another answer. He was traveling by a train and suddenly a person snatched purse from the lady and jumped out of the train. The response given here it is call RPF and share. Location informed TT helped lady by money. But this is not complete answer. This is not the means the line of action is not desirable. Because we can see the condition. I have amended it right now. You can see the train is actually started, right? And moreover, you have to also stop the train because if you will go after the person to catch the purse Of course, you have to also inform the lady to pull the chain. The first course of action would be like, firstly, you have to tell the lady to pull the chain so that later on he can come back and give the purse to the lady. And thereafter, once he ran after the person or the thief, he will catch him, and thereafter he will hand over that person to RPF, and he will take back the purse from him, and thereafter he will return back to the bogie, that is coach, and he will return the purse to lady, and thereafter he will continue the journey. This can be the line of action because the train has moved on, and you have to stop the train as well, and you have to also catch the person, designated person. यहाँ पर the thing is that you have to catch the person because you have to also show the courage. Are you having the courage or not? Because right now, till the time you will call the RPF, by the time the snake means the purse catcher or the thief, he will be approximately far away from us and we will not be able to trace. So that's why it is very necessary that we have to take the action on time. Hmm? I hope you got it. Now we will have our today's TAT discussion, thematic a perception test. I think you might have written down your story as well. Uh, First of all, we will look at the picture. As you can see at the picture, you can see the emotion of the girl. That girl, we will look at the clear version. So it is the zoom version of the picture. So you can see the girl. She is little bit, sad, and we can also assume that she may be crying or whatever. And you can also see he is trying to put the pressure on the neck of the opposite person. We can also assume that she is male. Correction, she is female. So what can you make, right? What can be the correlation? And these kind of pictures generally are neutral based. Neutral means there are no emotions, and moreover, you can write down your own story. Own story in the sense you can attach yourself with these kind of stories. First of all, what you can do here is that we will read out the story of the person. The candidate has written the story like this: that Rita was a professional caregiver. Means the person, the candidate has made this person as a caregiver. She has been assigned to look after the Shakuntala Devi, this person who has recently had a cataract surgery. Before moving forward, I would like to introduce about this cataract surgery. This cataract surgery, after searching on Google, right? Cataract surgery is a type of surgery in which you have to replace the lens in your eyes. Moreover, there is adequate a lot of pressure in your eyes. Moreover, you are having a cloudy like appearance in your eyes. For that, cataract surgery is done. So we can assume that we can say that it is the problem in the eyes. But here we can see the lady is trying to press the body part which is around the neck. For neck area, it has no correlation with the eyes. I really don't feel that she is trying to take care after the cataract surgery. So we can assume that this is not a correlatable story with this picture. Intentionally, you have tried to make a predetermined story, right? So try to avoid it. I have always told you that never try to be a very artificial person. Always try to correlate with the picture. Whatever the emotions, the actions, 360-degree and angle analysis you have to do always and every time. So try to correlate with the picture. I think you might have written cataract surgery story might have in any other story. So that's why you are trying to paste that story in this picture. So don't try to do that. Instead, you could have written another story like he was having a pain in her neck. So that's why this lady was a physiotherapist and she was trying to treat it. You can write it like this, but intentionally you are writing this cataract surgery. Cataract is regarding the eyes, so there is no eyes here. So in this way you can move on. Otherwise, you have written very well. Thereafter, I can read that. You have written that when Rita has just arrived at the workplace, she saw Shakuntala Devi trying to climb on the stairs, and which was quite risky for her. So thereafter, Rita rushed two stairs and hold her in arms, and Rita was praised by the family members. Now you are writing that she is trying to hold her in arms, but you can see that exactly these are not arms, right? Hmm? It's a clear-cut story that she is trying to press the neck or where means in the area of neck area region, she is trying to do something. So you cannot escape from the situation right now. I hope all the candidates might have got what I'm trying to convey, that don't try to escape the situation and make the story which is very correlatable to this situation, and always try to be positive. There can be a situation you in which you think that you may write a negative story in the sense some people might write the story that she is trying to kill her because she was so jealous of that person, है ना? Might be there might be some candidate, there might be some fresher candidate also in, may possible in pressure you might end writing these kind of stories. So finally, I just want to, I think you have got what I'm trying to say. Now we will move on to the next. Now we will discuss TAT, thematic perception test. The story which has been sent by one of the candidate. The picture is girl was smiling looking at the phone, right? So what can be the story on this picture? Firstly, this is a neutral picture. You can make n number of stories because it is an open-ended story, and this is the best way you can actually project about your life, whatever the skills you are having, any hard work, sincerity, devotion, any OLQ you would like to show to the psychologist. So right now you can do is that you can write the best story of your life. This is a neutral story, so we can read the story which the candidate has written. Swati was Swati was running silk thread jewelry shop. She has a great command on making these jewelries. As a effect of lockdown, her shop was running in valley, and she has financial problem due to the lockdown, but she didn't gave up होना चाहिए, and she took help of technology. She joined Amazon and advertised her product online. She got a good response, and thereafter I got the story, means finally she was able to sell her online product, those jewelry. So this can be a situation and very good story she has written. This can be an innovative kind of thing. So that's why if it is correlated with her life, then definitely this is a fantastic story she can write. But don't try to copy the story which other people has written. So you can also make the story based on your life. It's okay, because she was also smiling at her phone, and after she got, you can also add in this stat, after she got her first payment after selling the jewelry, she is little bit she is happy right now. So you can correlate the current situation with this story. You have to also yes, she has written very correctly. After the first payment, she checked it on the cell phone and happy with the initiative. So that's why you can, in this way, you can correlate with the current situation with your story. A triggering point should always be there. Now the second story. In this, girl was smiling looking at her phone. The second story she has written. Pooja was MSc final year student. While doing MSc, she started teaching at online, providing at school here in town. She taught math subject, but due to COVID-19 there was lockdown, and she didn't give up. Meet school principal and had discussion, put the idea of online teaching, and thereafter they had a discussion about the upcoming examination, and thankful that they continued their studies. I got it. Finally, I hope you have also read the story. In this, she is just advocating, and she is telling that about the online study material. Due to COVID-19, there was a lockdown, and she was not able to teach the students. In this way, they started online teaching, and even they have started discussing about the means upcoming exams. So I think this is a very good story. Finally, the candidate is able to match the story with the picture, with the emotions, as well as means the candidate is able to justify the picture very well, because the target or the emotion or the main objective of looking at the phone, what was the reason for looking at the phone, means the candidate has written it very well. So in this way you can also correlate and make the story like this, because the candidate has written that they continue with the study and gave a positive replies. After watching the replies, Pooja was happy and satisfied with her work. This is the triggering point of watching
or looking at her phone, है ना. In this way you can make the story and try to correlate with your own life. This is a story, this is a sample story, this is another person's story, so don't try to copy it at all, otherwise you will be at harm, or you can say you will be at loss. This was all for today's session. Make sure you like and share as well as subscribe this channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, because whenever we update or upload any video, you will get the notification in your cell phone. And to get the PDF of this presentation, you can join us at the Telegram. The address of our Telegram is like at the search box you can type @SSB for life, and we are also having Instagram channel @Mission SSB interview. You can also follow us on this channel, and you can also visit on www.ssbmission.com. So we'll see you in next session. Keep learning, keep motivating, and keep growing in your life. Thank you.